The game completely changed for wholesaling real estate with this new AI technology. Now, I'm sure you've been hearing about AI and its use in wholesaling real estate for a minute now, but you're like, none of this is really a game changer. Well, with the Claude bot, with the Mac Mini, it is a game changer. What this can do for your wholesaling business is revolutionary. And for any business, quite frankly. This thing and the future of AI is crazy. I know everybody's like, AI is not there yet. We're waiting for it to get good enough to really have a good use case. Well, the Claude bot, OpenClaw, has just unlocked that. It's harnessed the power of AI with the ability to control your computer. And now it can do pretty much anything you can do. So I know a lot of wholesalers out there use VAs to help them with their business, whether it's text messaging sellers with text blast marketing, whether it's pulling data, whether it's looking up properties, right? We have VAs doing a lot of tedious tasks for our wholesaling real estate business. What if we were able to use an AI robot to do all of that, and now we could have our VAs doing better tasks? This Claude bot can pull data, it can scrape lists, it can pull county records, it can go ahead and reach out to cash buyers, it can text buyers, it can email buyers, it can even call people, guys. OpenClaw and Claude bot is a complete game changer, and I've been implementing it in my wholesaling real estate business. Every single task that any of my sales guys, my acquisition managers, my disposition managers, my virtual assistants are doing that is a tedious task, I'm now giving it to my robot friend, Claude bot, OpenClaw, and it is going ahead and doing all of that for me. So that way my real people, right, can be focused on the highest money generating activities possible. The best thing to do is get a separate computer, and Mac is the best to go with because it runs smoother without crashing, without updating. So that way it can run 24/7, guys. This Claude bot, it's working on my business while I'm sleeping. So what you're gonna do is you can get a Mac Mini, that's the best to run with, or you can use a MacBook, but ideally you want it to be a separate computer because you don't want it to have access to all your stuff. It can control the whole computer. So if your credit cards are on your computer, it could go spend money, right? It's crazy. If all your contact list is on there, it could go call up and prank call everybody in your phone book. And people have had that happen. So you want to be careful on what you're giving it access to. That's why you want it running on its own machine. Not only so it can run 24/7 and always be working, but so that way, you know, you're doing it safely, right? There is some risks. So keep that in mind. But as long as you only give it what you want it to have access to, everything's cool. So once you get that, you'll then go to OpenClaw. There's some pretty simple stuff on here on how to install it. Essentially, you got to copy this code, paste it into Terminal. And when you paste it in a terminal, then it'll run you through prompts. Now, I had a little bit of trouble because when I was pasting the code into Terminal, it wasn't auto setting itself up. So all I did was go to ChatGPT and ask what to do, and it told me exactly what to do, and I worked through the process of getting it set up. Now, essentially how it works is it does an API connection to your ChatGPT account, or you can use Gemini or any of these other AI out there, the chats, right? And what it does is it uses that in integration with the computer to now be able to, instead you just chat with it and get answers, it now can be told to do anything on your computer and it'll work like that. So that's how you harness the power of it. Now, essentially, mine's all set up here and I'm gonna give you an example of what it can do. So you can talk to it in a few different ways. Way number one is I can just go directly on Terminal and tell it what to do. So I'm gonna say, pull up my YouTube channel on YouTube, on Google, Jacob Blank, and watch this. Come a little bit closer, watch this. It's gonna go ahead and control my computer now. So it's running, you see it's running right there, boom. There we go, just pulled up my YouTube channel on Google. It's exactly what I told it to do. Now, the other way you can control it is you can connect it to WhatsApp or Telegram. So all my virtual assistants are on WhatsApp, right? So I'm normally texting my assistant, hey, do this, do that, or I'm calling them, or I'm sending them a voice note. Well, I can just go in here and say, click on the YouTube channel in WhatsApp, just like I'm messaging a team member of mine, and it's gonna go ahead and do that. Boom, just clicked on the YouTube channel. All right, now another way is I can go ahead and text it from my phone. Go ahead and click play on my most recent video. I want you to watch through it, and then I want you to give me a summary of everything you learned about wholesaling real estate from my most recent video. So I just sent it a voice note. It's gonna listen to that. It's gonna go watch my most recent video, give me a summary, and learn everything about wholesaling. So right now, it's been doing tasks for my business, but also I'm in the process of training it up. The more information you give it, the better it's gonna get at helping you run your business. So I've been giving it all my past ChatGPT export of all the things I've asked about my business before, so it knows about that. I've been having it watch through my Inner Circle mentorship training videos so it can learn everything about my mentorship. And there you go, guys. While I'm talking, it's playing the video. The computer's running. Boom. It's controlling the computer. So that's to give you an idea. Watch. Telling it to skip the ads. So I know this is a simple example, but if you see its ability to just do this, imagine what else it could do. I'm using it to pull data. I'm using it to skip trace LLCs to find cash buyers. I'm using it to text buyers, right? I'm using it to go ahead and tweak all of our marketing campaigns, to analyze them, tell us what's working, where we're getting the most deals, right? It's analyzing my business every day. And there we go, it's watching my most recent video. And this video is about do's and don'ts for beginners in wholesaling. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I have a ton of other videos on my channel that are helpful, so make sure to hit the red button and subscribe. So guys, I'm using it to help me with my whole business. Also, what it does is it analyzes our marketing campaigns and it analyzes the performance of my sales guys every day. And it texts me a summary report of how our marketing channels are performing, how my sales guys are performing. Normally, I had a VA, a human in Mexico, one of my virtual assistants, send me this end-of-day report every day. No longer does he need to do that tedious task. The Claude bot can do it. So guys, this is revolutionary. I'm gonna have many more videos coming out about how OpenClaw CloudBot can be used for wholesaling real estate. Guys, if you're a one-man show, all you gotta do is invest 600 bucks, get a Mac Mini. CloudBot is free. You need a ChatGPT Plus subscription. It's like 15 bucks a month. And now you can have another team member. I'm probably gonna end up buying like 5 of these. And I'm gonna try to run my whole business with AI. I know I made a video a few months back where I was like, look, the AI isn't really there yet to help you out in wholesaling. But guys, this OpenClaw, its ability to access the computer, harness the power of ChatGPT, combine that, it's game changer. Like, I'm shocked. When I first turned this on, got it all set up, and it started running my computer, I got goosebumps. Life's about to change forever. Now, that being said, it's more important than ever that you get rich and you become financially stable yourself. So many regular jobs are gonna be wiped out. If you're in college right now, whatever you're studying, 90% of it's gonna be useless because AI is taking over. So with that being said, if you're just starting in wholesaling real estate, I hold a free 1-hour live training every single week where I will show you how to get your first deal in the next 30 days and make $20,000 or more. And if you're already doing deals, I'll show you how to scale up to make over $100,000 a month. So if you want to get on a free 1-hour mentorship call with me, click the link down below and sign up. I hold one of these trainings every week, but there's limited spots. I want to see you on the call with me. So if you're ready to learn, now's the time. Click the link down below. And I want to let you know, there is so much opportunity out there in wholesaling real estate right now. There is hundreds of thousands of distressed properties and properties sitting vacant across the country in every market. There's no shortage of deals, no shortage of opportunity. It's time to capitalize on that. Let me show you how to go out there and find these deals using my proven 7-step process. Also, if you guys want to download my free contracts and scripts that I give you for free, go to jacobblank.com/free. You'll be able to download my resources. And also, I have a free 20-video course showing you wholesaling for free. It's called my Wholesaling University. There's a link down below in the description for that. I want to see you inside my course. It's on school. And I'll see you in there. But guys, I'm gonna be making more videos every single week about how I'm using this for my business and the levels that it takes me to in wholesaling. So all you gotta do, get a Mac Mini and rock and roll with me. So get your Mac Mini, sign up, set it up. Watch my videos every week. I'm gonna show you how to get this rocking and rolling for your wholesale business to take it to the next level. This is game-changing stuff. Hope you found this video valuable because this is big news. But other than that, guys, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the red button and subscribe. If you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you have any questions down below about AI's use in wholesaling, comment down below and be sure to answer. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.